Alright, so the wife upstairs literally has a cake in the oven that she's going to take to work for her jackals, that is, her co-workers. Meanwhile, I've probably got about 10 more minutes to spare. So I'm going to make this video. A few more minutes. Just enough time to burn one. Now, if you don't like the southern accent, I could do New York about it. Anyway, hey, the name's Dale. This is about a 2-car garage, which is a workshop. So, hello and welcome to Nova Wood and Metal Craft. It's my YouTube channel. Don't want to promote anything just yet. Don't see no brands there. So as the name suggests, the name of my channel suggests, you are watching this video presumably because you searched on setting up your workshop inside your garage. Well, you come to the right place. I will show you how I set up my shop and still have room for not one, but 2 cars. But there is so much more you'll find on this site. Make just a comment or 2 on my channel on anything you see here, and I'll try to make a video on the subject, okay? All I ask in return is that you do 3 things. 1, if you like the content here and you think you can benefit from it, please hit that like button, all right? Second, if you have a recommendation how I can improve this channel, or you have a question or request, please do let me know by leaving a comment below, all right? Man, it's warm. It's a warm summer night. Thirdly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am not in this to make money. I created this post to pay it forward. Because if you've had a similar experience like mine, the internet is an awesome source for learning and research. YouTube is especially useful source of information that I have relied upon again and again to research ways to create a functional yet affordable workspace. So thanks for watching, and I hope you get a lot out of this. Till next time, have a good night.